Hi, this is Candy, and this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Forms quiz so that it will import into Google Classroom with scores. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to keep myself organized. So I am already in the folder that I want to locate the quiz out of. So I'm going to go ahead and hit New. I'm going to go More and Google Forms and just a blank form. And I'm going to create it in this happens to be a shared folder. I'm going to say that I'm going to do this just as I'm just going to do a quiz. My sample quiz. That'll automatically title it. And then what you need to do is come over here to settings. And if you want to limit it to your site or your district's users, you can. I would collect email responses. But you have to toggle this here that says make a quiz, and then you can choose if they immediately get the key right or the grade right after submissions, or if they do it later after manual review. So that's really up to you, whatever you want to do. And once they get it, you can see that they get missed questions, correct answers, or point values right there. Once you are done, oops, I missed it. I missed a critical piece here. So I'm going to go ahead. I know I only want them to use one response. I know I want to collect email addresses. I want to make it a quiz. But see how it didn't stick? And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now that will actually create the quiz and get it so that it will actually score as a quiz. And notice this little total points thing popped up here. Okay, so I'm going to say it's question 1. And I'm going to give it some options, true, false. And then I have to, if I wanted to auto grade, I need to add an answer key. Typically I put required. Typically I would also put like a heading on this. So I'd put their first name, their last name, their ID number, and what class period they're in. I'm going to go to answer key, and I need to actually decide what the answer is, and then I'm going to give it some points here. And if you do a question like this, it will auto grade it for you. The other type of question that you can auto grade really easily is a short answer. So type apple. Apple. Okay. So I'm going to put the answer key in there. The correct answer is apple. And I'm going to give it some points. And I'm going to do mark all other answers incorrect if that is the only answer that I am accepting. And then I'm going to click done. And I'm going to require the question. So that's just a quick way. And then you're going to assign this to Google Classroom, which is a different video.